So what's up, everybody? It's Nikki D here, back with another video, Manifesting Your Wealth 24/7. So I just wanted to show you some analytics here, okay? So I've been using this system that I've been promoting and talking about to you guys, all right? It's called IPS. And what IPS does, it helps you to build a sound foundation for your business. It helps people to learn, how to build their business properly, how to get organic traffic to their business, how to close sales, how to promote thoroughly on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Craigslist, you name it. All right. So we have all these wonderful things in this back office. And so I dived in on the YouTube training. Okay. I just started with it. And so I just wanted to show you some analytics here. And this right here is absolutely my analytics. All right. And so right now we show overall, and I just started posting videos maybe like a week or two ago. All right. So I've so far had 313 views. All right. And what's really important is how long does a person stay to watch your video when they are on YouTube. And so my YouTube here, I show the average time is 12 minutes and 5 seconds. Now the views that I got the most on was this video right here, The Truth About I can't think of the name of this one, but you can see right here clearly it's 158 views. All right. And so, of those views, because this video is about 12 minutes long. All right. People watched it all the way to the end, you guys. You know what that does for the algorithm? It does a lot. And not only that, people are getting all of the information, which means they're showing interest, right? And it helps when you have your link at the bottom of the video. So looking at this right here is a no-brainer. The YouTube training is amazing. It's awesome. These are the results that it's giving me. I even have, these are some newer videos that I posted, up to 29 on one. That's my welcome video, 27 on the other, 22 on the other. It's a good start. I'm just starting out. But I love to see the fact that what I'm using in the IPS system is actually working for me and my business. All right. This is what I'm talking about. I've had people who actually opted in, okay, who actually opted in for information about a business through YouTube, okay? Now, down here at the very bottom, we have traffic sources. These are how people are finding it. It's not me sending the link to people. This is coming from people who are browsing the features, 31%, channel pages, 30%, YouTube search, 27%, suggested videos, 3%, and others. Others would be like me sending a link to somebody and they're going through Facebook or wherever I send them the link through, 7%. So look at that. So most of this is really organic traffic that's coming from YouTube, and they are starting to know about my business. All right. So this right here is very, very powerful stuff. If you're looking for another way to really just source yourself, to be resourceful, this is what you need. And what it's going to do, this is another avenue outside of Facebook, okay? This is a whole nother avenue. This is definitely a step in a better direction, okay? And just showing consistency using the training in the back office, you're going to see results, you guys. If you are interested in stuff like that, learning how to grow your business, learning how to really put your business out there for people to see using YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, you definitely want to click the link that is below this video, you guys. I want you to make sure that you like, subscribe, and share this video with other people. If you don't have a business, that is fine. This right here could even become your business. You know why? Because now you have a tool that other entrepreneurs need. The person who I bought this from, she knew that I was in business and I needed a tool. All right. And although she never had a business before, she was able to promote this to me so I can use this for my business. And now this has become her business, so it just all works out for everybody in the end. And this is something that everybody should have in their arsenal, in their tool. If you have a team that you have built, you need this, because it's going to be something that your team would need to have to help them to build. And by helping them to build, they're going to build you up. You all are building each other up. Okay. It's just a win-win situation all the way around for everybody. All right. So yeah, like I said, these are awesome. And I got 9 new subscribers. All right. So with that being said, like I said, just make sure you like this video, comment on this video. If you have more questions, you can leave your questions below the comments or reach out to me on Facebook. The link is below the video. Let's get you started. And let me say one more thing before I leave. This tool, this education platform, IPS, is not a monthly fee. There's no monthly fees ever involved. It's a one-time fee. That's the great thing. It's a one-time fee. And then when you promote this or share this with others, when they join, you get 100% commissions, and it's member to member. So nobody else is dealing and handling your money. Your money comes straight to you when the person signs up. How awesome is that, right? So there's lots, there's lots here. Okay. There's lots here, lots of value. There's lots here. So come on now. Let's go ahead, take a look, get back with me. I can even add you to our free proof group so you can just see how others are earning as well. All right. So with that being said, my name is Nikki D here. I believe in manifesting your wealth 24/7. That is mentally, physically, and spiritually. Let's get it. 2022 is ours. Let's go. You all have an amazing, amazing day. Bye-bye.